Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Bitscap, the great trading bot. The bot I've been using and challenging myself to turn my crypto into one Bitcoin. Bitscap, all in one trading platform for your Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. Have a look at Bitscap. They have a 14-day free sign up when you sign up, and only after that, when you're happy with their performance and what you've seen, you need to pay a package. They also have a demo account so you can test and see if there's any strategies that will benefit your situation or way of trading. So let's see how's it been going. Looking at my KuCoin account, we can see Bitcoin has some decent profit this week, $220, BNB $34, and DOT another $20. Decent profits. So before I start converting, let's go to my account. As you can see, I got FTT, the FXT account trading as well here. But looking at KuCoin, DOT seems to be on the lowest value. So I'm going to stop my DOT bot and I'm going to reactivate it and add all available funds towards DOT to compound and make it bigger. Looking at my DOT bot, it's just hit the top amount and 1.15 grid steps with 50. Perfect. Now we can stop it. As the bot stops, if we go back to KuCoin account, we'll start seeing these amounts going back up in the available section, and we'll do that till all of them has gone up. Is there any DOT available? In orders, yes, there's still in orders. Just refresh it again so it can come up all to 0. All right, no available offers on DOT, so everything is lying in DOT or in BTC. Now, easy way of getting my account going. It's still on exactly the same settings on the bot as I left it. Or you can come to spot and you can just click on it and it will put it in exactly the same scenario as it was. Now, all I need to do currently is start the bot again. We need to buy a little bit of DOT. We had 18 available, but due to the fact that we're adding additional funds, we're buying an extra DOT. The DOT order is placed and we should see it starting to accumulate shortly. Give it a few seconds. There we go. The order has been filled and now we should start seeing lines as the compounded bot starts to restructure and re-add all the lines, as you can see, putting them one by one, going through all of them. It's 50 grids they need to add, so it's 50 buy and sell limit orders. It's putting back in order. Give it a few seconds. The bot has started. As you can see, my value is added. It was $1,100 odd. It's over $1,300 now. And now for something new, something that's been added to Bitscap. We'll go to the BNB BTC one. And when you click on your stats or this little graph or candlesticks, it will give you a summary of your trading. Now, the unique one is the current funds and initial funds, this section. Now, what it means is your current funds, since this bot started, it has generated 7.8% profit. Initial funds means state of your bot at start at the initial rates in selected currency equivalent and the value change of the initial funds at the current rates, etc. Buy and hold extrapolation. So if we just bought BNB and held it for the same time period, the bot was active, we would have seen a raise in profit of 3.4%, where the bot has generated additional 7.76%. Yes, looking at these numbers, there will be times where your initial funds percentage will be higher due to the fact that the market price might have gone up rapidly. But over the long run, your current funds percentage will win, in my opinion. It's something to look at, it's something to see, it's just something to give you an indication of what would have happened. If you look at the benchmark, change of the major cryptocurrency prices during the trading time of your bot helps you monitor the bot performance relative to buy and hold scenarios. So since the bot started, BTC USDT up 1.47 and Ethereum USD up 0.36. So yes, they've added additional information. Some people will get confused by it, so don't look at it. And other people will look at it and see how great the bot is working in our behalf. So something new is something extra and is something to help you indicate if you're making profit or not. So we got our bot started, we've compounded, got the BNB bot, which has been working really well. As you can see, this bot has been running for quite a while. And the bot just started. Now going back to our KuCoin account, we'll refresh and make sure all the funds added. The Bitcoin is added and the DOT is added. So we're all good. 70% left is due to the fact that, as you can see, there's always a 95%. They give you a 5% leverage to make sure you have enough funds, or if the market moves a little bit while doing your setup, it doesn't affect your trading and you can get into your trades immediately. So KuCoin, the challenge to one Bitcoin, it's moving smoothly. We're moving forward. We've started with 0.143 Bitcoin. As you can see, the Bitcoin is up nicely since we've started. And we've started with $5,000 on that stage. As you can see, the value of my fiat is well up, almost 50%. But that's market movement. And yes, my Bitcoin is moving up. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. And since we're compounding all the time, it's going to make the time period faster and faster as we're generating more and more crypto. Because the bigger our bots is getting, the quicker we're going to reach our Bitcoin. So what's your thoughts? How long do you think it's going to take to reach one Bitcoin? Do you think I'll ever do it? Hit the thumbs up. Hit that like button if you think it's going to be achievable. And if you have concerns or recommendations, feel free to leave a comment below. Have a great one and enjoy.